guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. I got this huge box in the mail the other day, and I opened it up, and this huge box has this somewhat small box. They could have just put the sticker on here and mailed it, you know, but whatever. Nice big box. I'm gonna unbox it for you right now and see what it is. Oh, it's a linear LED high bay light. This would be perfect for my garage because I always need good lighting. Wow, look at this. 2 banks of LED lights, and look how thin it is. Very low profile. Fantastic. Chains to hook up onto your Raptors. It's a lot of different connections here. I'm just looking for a positive and negative. Maybe I should read the instructions. So I was just reading the instructions. These here are for if you wanted to attach a motion detector, and I believe this one is for a battery backup. So I don't need these 3 plugs. It is only a white or a black input for the wires. Very easy to connect. However, it says here in these instructions that L is black. L meaning lead, and then N is white, which is neutral or negative, because here in America, black is usually negative, and white or red should be the positive. I don't think the polarity really matters with AC 110, so I'm going to test it to see if it works. There's no on and off switch. It's just power to it, and it's supposed to light up. The current lights I have in my garage right now is just one switch that takes you to 2 typical T8 fluorescent light bases. That's it. That's all I have. And I have this very bright socket bulb, LED socket bulb. When I first attached this LED socket bulb to it, I tapped into that one there. I'm just going to find a wire long enough, and I'm going to place it right here where there's no lighting. I found a lot of very good gauge, maybe 16 or 20 gauge black and white wire. And I don't know where I got it from, but this will do. I'm going to put you on time lapse as I install this. We'll see if it works. Okay, so I just preliminarily tapped into the switched light current. I'm going to turn on the light switch now. Let's see if it works and doesn't blow up. Wow! Look at how bright that is. That's incredible. That's great. That's fantastic. I'm stoked. I can't believe it. It is absolutely insane in here. It is so bright. I feel like it's daytime in my garage. What a fantastic upgrade. As you can see, I made it flush right in between two beams. So it's flush. They look fantastic. I'm not an electrician, so my wiring is a little sketchy, but I merely tapped into that and it works just fine, as long as it doesn't blow any circuit breakers. Look at the difference in the brightness between those fluorescent ones, that LED, and those LEDs. That's amazing, and it looks fantastic. Brightens up my entire garage. Not that you really want to see what's in my garage. It's such a mess. But we've got great lighting here in case I want to work in the garage at night. I didn't need to use any of the chains because I just used the two brackets and I screwed in these hooks into the wood. You know, it's a hook with threads on them. You just screw them into the wood and they're hooks. So this comes with two little brackets that hook onto this. I didn't use these because I didn't want the light to drop down any more than the beam. I want it flush inside. Looks great. So I didn't use any of the chains. It was very easy to install. Black and white, white and black. Super easy. Turns on with a switch thing. So you can use a dimmer switch. You can add on a backup battery or a motion detector onto it if you wanted to. Those was what those extra plugs were for in there. But if you just wanted to have it to a switched current, black and white, tap it in, mount it. It's fantastic. As you can see the difference between the beginning of this video and now, it's way brighter in my garage. And also because it's LED technology, it lasts almost forever. It doesn't use up too much electricity, not like fluorescent bulbs or your usual analog bulbs or even halogen, right? Uses very minimal electricity. Like I said, the bulb lasts almost forever, 50,000 hours or so. There's no name brand, but I'll leave a link in the description for their Amazon store if you guys are interested. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.